Hello everybody, and I'm sorry if I'm talking really quietly. I'm currently in my room because it's the only space that you can actually get silence. And if you do want to see me show off my art, because there's a whole wall of art that I have in my room. Oh, hi Kiefer. My cat's out finally. Then just drop a comment down below, and this will be run through KineMaster and edited just in case I say something that's not supposed to be there or something like that, because there's a few things. Also, Ray is my girlfriend again. We did break up, but that was because she fell out of love. Nothing bad came in between us, but now we're back together and she's playing Break-In. Yes, this is my actual Roblox account, and I had to redo the survey because I realized I did not have my microphone on in my last video, so we're gonna have to redo it, and I'm gonna have to delete that video. So let's just get right into this. Oh fuck, am I recording? Okay, I am. If I wasn't, I was gonna cry like a lot. I'm kidding, I wasn't actually gonna cry. Also, that green little circle thing is always gonna be there because it's my screenshot thing. My power button came off, and now I have to get a new phone maybe, but like for now we're not bothered by it. I don't know why, but my sister left pecan pie on my bed. Also, I don't know if I should hang up this piece of art I made. It's really bad. Okay, here we go. This is a horror game. Play at your own risk. I'm playing it for the sake of you guys. You can play this if you want to, but because you can't see all of it. Also, hey, look, door shut. We're not going to go through any shenanigans. When that opens, I'm going out to the living room because I am currently alone. No one is out of this window. Also, fun little thing a lot of people don't know, you can lay in your bed. This little black thing over here scared the living shit out of me, and I just realized it was a pillow. Yes or no? Let's just go with yes. Okay, I'm getting weird vibes in my room. Kidding, I'm gonna go into my room, the living room. Very loud out here. Time to get to the throne. Hi, Ty. Talking to my brother. Now, are you having a nice day? I mean, mine is stepping in cat shit earlier today. The fucking was disgusting. Yeah, so far. Have you looked around? Let's just say no for fun. Then take a look around. Damn, bitch. We'll continue. Are you familiar with your surroundings? No. This is like my first time ever playing this without posting out, so like. Also, comment if you want to watch me fail at an obby. That's super easy. You have just woken up here. That's creepy. Do you know where you are? No. Do you have any heart diseases? So this is a very personal question, so I'm not going to tell y'all. Okay. I think we all have, so yes. I've had a panic attack earlier this past couple of months because I thought my cat was gonna die because he got really ill. So yeah. Do you believe in God? This is a very, very personal question. None of my family is very religious. Only like my dad's side, which I don't even like my dad currently. We don't have contact. But I do believe there is a God. It's just I'm not religious. I don't like worship him. Like he's going to thrive through my life. So I'm gonna turn up the volume. fucking screen is so cracked. Yes, I kind of do. Absolutely, if you want to watch me play Spectre, we will, because it's a ghost hunting game. It's kind of like Phasmophobia. Good. Are you answering these questions out of free will? Yeah. I am shaking right now. Yeah. If the door opens, I'm going right. I'm running right to my brother. He's older. And he will help me through this because I'm actually terrified. Comfortable in your room. I don't know this place, so no. Also, a little Easter egg. Look at the no. It's more bold than the yes. Holy fuck, they give me shivers. I just realized that door is open. Yes, I think we all have. I'm running to my brother because it just asked this question. That's why my last video paused. Hi, Ty. I'm staying by you because I'm actually kind of scared.
Asleep.
Yes. Have you looked around? Yeah, we've asked this question.
What if you just say no to everything?
If you say no to start survey, it'll just kick you from the game. It'll be like you turned off your computer and you fell back asleep.
You say yes to everything.
Then you'll get multiple endings.
What?
There's multiple endings. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes, actually.
No, but no.
Mom would. Are you alone? No. Okay, Ty. This is where you're helping me.
Daddy.
Have you looked out the window?
Don't look out the window.
Oh, hi, eyes.
No, don't look out the window. No, no, no. No, no, no. Press no. Fucking dumbass.
If you screamed, would anybody hear you?
No. You dumbass.
Turn the screen, I'm not looking. Give me back my phone whenever you're...
Ah! My God, I'm scared.
Now, relax. Take some time to relax. Okay, I'm gonna drink some of my...
Taco Casa.
Relax. Did you see that?
Taco Casa.
Did that scare you?
No.
Yes.
No.
No. Okay, I didn't actually get to this question. Todd, help me. No. Just to be sure. Do you really want to end survey? No. Then the survey will continue. I don't know why I said it so peppy. Sorry if my voice is very annoying. Are you a brave person? I just ran to my brother whenever the door opened. You know. Correct. You're not brave whatsoever. Because of that, you're not qualified. Your survey will now end. Thank you for your participation. Why? Ty. You don't want if I just sit in my room, What you gonna do?
Me? What do you want?
Take me out of the building into the white light. Don't sit in that chair for 1 minute. I don't want to unlock an achievement.
Hey guys, do you have the case for Nintendo?
No.
I almost died.
You're not qualified.
What if you just leave without answering any questions?
You mean just press no?
No, just leave.
You have to wait until the door opens.
Oh, okay. Press yes to everything.
Well, anyways. That's it. That's a horrible way to end a video. Awesome. Bye.